Greetings, cooperators. This video serves to demonstrate how a member can get signed up on the new cooperative portal. The portal serves to provide a platform where members can view their personal ledger balances via either their mobile devices or through a personal computer. Now, upon using the link provided on your WhatsApp group, clicking it brings you right to this page, which is the landing page, which is also the login page. But a necessary requirement for one to be able to use the portal is that you must have signed up and your account activated by the admin before you can successfully log in to view your own personal ledger page. So we'll start with the process of signing up, but some people may not be able to see the sign up button right at the bottom of this page. Like in my case, it's not so obvious. So what you do is click on the top bar here. So you see 3 dots there, and go to desktop site, and you'll find that the page is adjusted. So you could expand it, enlarge it, so that you are able to see all the links. Upon doing that, you hit on sign up. It brings you to another page, which is the registration page. It collects your registration data. Now I can go back to the 3 dots at the top right of the screen where we made the earlier adjustment and uncheck it, the desktop site, and everything gets back to normal. So we're going to fill this form. I'll fill it with some dummy data and show you the entire process. So I'll start by filling a username. I'll use my name, Okemute. My first name, Okemute. My last name, Obatutu. For my employee ID, this refers to your computer number. So I'll just enter a dummy number. (149,866). Now, upon leaving the employee ID, you'll notice that the member ID field gets automatically filled up. Is made up of the computer number padded with zeros from the beginning, and the next field is requiring an email address. I'll select mine. Then one needs to define a password too, with which one accesses the system, and your password must not be less than 8 characters, and it mustn't be similar to either your username, first name, or last name. So I'll just define a password here. Upon doing that, I can hit on the register button here now. And I'm told next, your account has been successfully created. Reach the admin to activate it before you can log in. So at this point, you reach out to either the secretary of the cooperative or the president of the cooperative, and as soon as your account is activated, you can provide your username and password here, and you gain immediate access to your personal ledger. So I'll work on the activation at the back, then I'll continue this. I can now bring in my login details. So my username, my password, I define it. I enter the password I created previously. Upon doing that, I hit the login button and my page opens up. My ledger opens up. Now this gives me a general overview. The first landing page gives me a general overview of what my accounts are like. Then to see the details of all my transactions, I need to hit on this transaction link. Upon scrolling, you'll see share capital, the date, the details, whether I debit or credit, then the balance as at that date. For thrift savings, I can see everything here with my balance right at the bottom there. And for loans, you can see everything here, my balance at the bottom here. This basically is a personal ledger for Okemuti Agbatutu example. So that's entirely the process. To log out from your page, you simply hit on either this and hit on log out, or you come right to the top where you have these three dashes here and hit on log out. That simply is the process. Thank you.